can be muted to this one. I'll just unmute for the later one.
I think we're ready to go. Teams, welcome back to the closing ceremony. Hope you guys had an awesome day so far. We have this closing ceremony up and running. We'll move on to foil 2. Once again, before we move on to the awards, we want to congratulate each and every team who's joined us today. Beyond the competition results, you all have spent so many months studying, researching, building, and solving so many problems. I was lucky to sit through the entire team sharing for one of the team sharing rooms, and it is amazing to see the kind of work you have done. And you've all worked together as a hardworking, cohesive team in this first forward season and the Cargo Connect Challenge. So in my view and in the view of everybody who is doing something with First Lego League, this process that got you to this point defines each and every one of you as a First Lego League winner. And our goal is to celebrate your achievements, and we are celebrating your achievements. Congratulations. Moving on. Today's qualifier tournament is organized by our local Northern California partner, Playing at Learning. Let's hear it for them in the chat. Please give your congratulations and appreciation to Playing at Learning. When I started 17 years ago as a rookie coach, Playing at Learning was there to help me get to the level where we were able to go. And they were a very lean organization, and we could use your support. So if you have anything that you can help out in various ways, reach out to Playing at Learning or to me, and then we can get you connected as well. Okay. We definitely welcome your feedback. When you send an email to us at FLL@Playing at Learning, think about one good thing that we can improve and one good thing that worked very well for you. Okay. So please, I see a lot of messages saying, thank you, Playing at Learning. It's awesome to see the support. Thank you, guys. Again, imagine we are the biggest region. Northern California has 4 regions, right? But even around the world, this is the biggest region. So to support it, it's awesome work from Playing at Learning. And many of them work several weekends to get this to you. So it's awesome. Again, please provide feedback, something that we need to improve and something that really worked very well. Okay. Moving on, First Lego League has our global sponsors. And we are very thankful for Amazon Future Engineer, the Lego Foundation, Lego Education, as well as our Challenge Division sponsor, Rockwell Automation. Thank you, guys. In addition to our wonderful NorCal sponsors, I mean, without that sponsor, we cannot have done this. They are TE Connectivity and Playing at Learning again. So without their support, this is not possible. And finally, our local supporter. This is my 14th year running FLL competition. Only the last 2 years I've been running virtual competition, but Intel, both in Folsom and Santa Clara, have supported us with in-person events, which is a very different experience for a lot of teams. So thank you, Intel. And before we get to the team awards, we want to take a moment to recognize our volunteers. With the virtual event, we needed a lot more volunteers from a judging standpoint to kind of put this together. So whether they met with your teams or worked behind the scenes, you have seen their hard work all day today. And I know all the coaches gave us our feedback about putting this tournament. So, but I know without the help of these volunteers, we cannot make this tournament happen. So one more time, since it cannot be said enough, a huge thank you to all our volunteers. Teams, please express your thanks in the chat. Again, please send me some things that we can improve on and something that really worked very well. Because again, this is a new format we are trying to make it. And team members, you might not recognize this, but your parents have supported, encouraged, and enabled you to participate in FIRST. So make sure you give them a huge, huge thank you from us. Okay. And finally, in this case, coaches and mentors. Although we won't ask you to stand at this particular event, we want to take a moment to recognize your important roles. You are our very special volunteers. We put together an event like this, but you are the ones that the kids are looking up to, and you are the ones who are building the team together. You have spent so many hours each week with the teams. The team is inspired, encouraged, and motivated by all that you are doing as well. Okay. So thank you so much. You are our special volunteers too. Again, thank you so much, coaches and mentors. Now we'll move on to the awards, and we'll go on to, and I think we can move on to the award slideshow. Give us a moment. We'll switch. So we are right there. I know this is the most exciting part, and the teams are always looking forward to this. So sometimes I take the pleasure to make it slow as well. But sorry, I was a coach. I understand the situation, but we'll go through this. But I won't keep you waiting anyways. Okay, sorry about that. I was trying to make it as a joke, but this is the wrong time. So we will start with the first Coach Mentor Award. So coaches and mentors inspire the teams to do their best, both as individuals and together. Okay. This award is for a coach or a mentor whose leadership and guidance is very clearly evident and best exemplifies the first core values. The team said the following about this very special coach or mentor. Our coach pushed us to do our best and always believed in us. He helped us improve our coding skills and spent 36 hours a week mentoring our team. So the Coach Mentor Award goes to Team 53856 Cargo Kings, Pankaj Kamath. Thank you. Congratulations, Pankaj. Now moving on to the team awards. The first team award is the Core Values Award. The Core Values Award celebrates a team that displays extraordinary enthusiasm and spirit, knows they can accomplish more together than they could as individuals, and shows each other and other teams respect at all times. This is what the judges had to say about this energetic team. These highly involved team members strongly exhibited all the core values and even solved their traffic jam blues. And in these times of isolation, their passion for FLL shined brightly as they promoted FLL and their project in both in-person and online sessions with multiple schools. The Core Values Award goes to Team 46674 Innovant Bots from Fremont. Congratulations, team. Now, moving on to the Project Award. For the Innovation Project Award, this team utilized teams basically utilizes diverse resources for the project to get a comprehensive understanding, and then the team goes on to identify, develop a creative, well-researched solution and effectively communicate that findings, right, to judges and the community. Here's what the judges said about this innovative team. This team surveyed neighbors and spoke with experts to create an app to implement their solution. They shared longer range goals for developing their solution, along with longer range goals for the scanner they built. Their innovation might someday redirect a confused delivery person or alarm a roving porch pirate. So the Innovation Project Award goes to Team 50883 Robo Rovers. Congratulations, Robo Rovers. Now let's go to the Robot Design Awards. The Robot Design Award typically goes to a team that used outstanding programming principles and solid engineering practices to develop a robot that is mechanically sound, durable, efficient, and highly capable of performing challenge missions. This well-organized team delivered an innovative and sturdy robot that moved very well north, south, east, and west to achieve its missions. Double sampling allowed a more consistent performance. Brilliance must run in the family. The Robot Design Award goes to team 52561 Brilliant Beavers from San Carlos. Congratulations, guys. Okay, in a typical in-person qualifier, this is the most recognizable award in the sense people already know before the awards are announced. The Robot Performance Award, right? They'll know who scored the most points during the robot game in the 2.5-minute matches. So with a high score of 590, the Robot Performance Award goes to team 52827 Aimbots. Congratulations, Aimbots from Mountain View. Okay, before you want to understand who are qualified and who's winning the coveted Champions Award. But before we announce our final awards, let's take a quick moment to acknowledge those team members who are with us in FLL for the last time. If you please let us know in the chat if you're aging out of First Lego League at the end of the season. And I kind of introduced First Tech Challenge in the fun activity. And you could definitely look at First Tech Challenge next year. But if you're aging out of First Lego League this season, at the end of this season, please mention that in the chat. Again, parents and coaches, there are millions of dollars in scholarship funds are available to First Tech Challenge and First Robotics competition participants every year. So you might want to look at it as well. Now, if you are a first alumni, I mean, you're a coach, a volunteer, or a supporter with us today, but you graduated from a first program, please let us know in the chat as well. Okay, there are a lot of people who this will be the last year. And then please let us know if you're a first alumni as well. Okay. Awesome to have first alumni again. So it'll be great to have you come back. I have some first alumni who already volunteered as judges today. So thank you. Thank you again. So now we are moving on to the most coveted Champions Award. The Champions Award celebrates a team that embodies the First Lego League experience by fully embracing our core values while achieving excellence and innovation in robot performance, robot design, and innovation project. And we have two awards, the first place and the second place award. So the second place Champions Award and an advancement to the NorCal Championship goes to Team 52827 Aimbots from Mountain View. Congratulations, Aimbots. Now we go to our first place Champions Award winner. The judges had the following to say about the stellar team. This team put their collective minds together to tackle problems in this digital age. They had a perfect vision for the 2020s to solve a real problem with staffing shortages in stores. Their solution really saves our backs from hurting, said a manager from Michaels. They developed a working prototype using Arduino, Python, and Git to automatically carry packages to the racks in stores and everywhere. The first place Champions Award goes to Team 42020 DigiMinds from San Jose. Congratulations, guys. So there was a question also in the chat saying, are there only 2 teams advancing? No. There are a total of 5 teams that will be advancing to the championships. So our Champions Award winning team will automatically get an advancement to the NorCal Championship, right? as you know, the Champions Award second place winner also gets an automatic advancement to NorCal. But these are the following 5 teams that will advance in the competition. I'm not seeing the right. So you are still asking about a virtual event only, the NorCal Championship for February 26th. So right now they're still focusing on a virtual event only. Okay, this will be the championship on February 26th will be a virtual event, and it'll be on Hopin as well. Okay, so the 5 teams that advance to the championship are team 42020 Digiminds, 52827 Aimbots, and now we have 3 more teams that you probably don't know yet. 51051 Winner Wannabes, 52286 Tornado, 52561 Brilliant Beavers. Awesome job, guys. Congratulations, teams. So see you all at the championship. But in our mind, everybody today who competed is a winner. We could see awesome projects, awesome robot designs. Thank you, and we are done. Have a safe, normally in an in-person event, I would say have a safe trip home, but I know most of you are already home. Thank you, guys. Bye. See you.